Webhacking.kr challenge, and the challenge that we're going to be doing today is going to be called Old 20. So let's get started. So with Old 20, we see it has over 3,000 solves, so it should be pretty easy. So we have nickname, comment, and captcha, and right away we notice we only have a time limit of 2 seconds to submit this. So if we submit something right now, I'm pretty sure we're not going to get it in time. It's going to say probably like too slow or something like that. So WK0E9FR and then H. And then we submit and we see that it's too slow. We have to find a way to do this faster. So there's multiple ways of doing this. Either we write some sort of script so it could run quicker, or we do something else. So the next thing I tried doing was basically viewing the source code that we have, and then we'll have this little error, but we just refresh it and we have this. So we see right away that there's a function being called, and this function is checking we have some values allocated to ID, comment, and our captcha value. And if they're blank, it's just gonna focus on that box and it's just gonna return it. So if you see right here, if it's blank right here, if we just put submit, it focuses on the nickname. But if comment is like blank, it's just gonna focus on comment. And then if captcha is blank, it's just gonna focus on captcha, like how it says right here if it's blank. But now if it's wrong, it's still gonna focus on captcha. So if we see right here, if we put something that's wrong, like FFFF, it's just focusing on the captcha. So we have to find a way to set this equal. And one way you could do this is have these values already pre-filled, so that you could do this inside the console. Because if you guys don't know, in our previous challenges, every time we had to deal with JavaScript, we could literally just call the functions from right here. So what we can do right now is pre-fill these values inside the console, and then after I submit it, we refresh it and we submit it real quick. So what I did and my thing, if you see right here, clear ls catsolve.txt, we see I have my ID value filled with my name, and then my comment value filled in with YOLO, and then our captcha value. This is gonna be a bit different. I was stuck with this for a bit, but if you look closely, captcha value, you would think that you want to equal to the same thing, but if you look closely at the second if statement, the captcha value has to match to the captcha underscore value. So this is where I messed up a bunch of times when I was recording this video, because I kept getting errors because I was trying to do this quickly, but I didn't notice that the captcha value has to equal to the captcha underscore value, and then we could submit. So what I'll do here, just basically copy this. Oh wait, copy this completely. Yeah, Control Command C, put it inside of here, and now we have everything ready. So what we want to do, or what I'm gonna do right now, is just quickly refresh this, and then as soon as I refresh it, I'm just gonna press enter right here, and so we can submit it within the under 2 second limit. So what I'll do is just simply refresh, and then and then after that, and we'll refresh again, and then submit it, and then we get login please. That means because we solved this challenge. And if you see right here, you see Danny, YOLO, and then our captcha value matches to our captcha value right here, and then submit it. Now, like I was explaining before, you need to log in to, I guess, submit, and you could get the answer, or you could get credit for solving this challenge. But yeah, this challenge was mostly, for the most part, you understanding what's going on behind the scenes, and that you have access to the functions within the website, which is a pretty cool thing to actually think about, because that's pretty cool. I'm not sure if that's for every website or if it's just only for this. If you guys know, I guess comment down below if it's for every website that you could do something similar to this, or if it's just because this website is meant for hacking and for hacking purposes, in which you can practice your hacking skills, and that's why they want to show you that. In some cases, some websites aren't built that great, and that you can abuse this feature for the most part. But anyway, yeah, that's about it for me. Hope you guys learned something new. I know I did. This was a pretty cool challenge. It taught me a lot, I guess. It taught me patience and a lot of things. But anyway, that's about it for this video, and I hope you guys see you guys in the next one. Anyway, peace.